Hey, what's up YouTube? It's Mike with Mike's Car Hole. I'm coming back with another hack for you. One of my previous videos, I had an oil spill incident. I'm gonna show you how I clean it up and I'll show you the aftermath. So it's gonna take about a day or so before it's all back to normal. But here's the mess that I created and here's the solution. So I'm gonna hand the camera off and I'll show you what I do with it. The other thing that I haven't mentioned in previous videos is pay attention to the direction that the bolt is pointed, because that's the direction that the oil will follow. So like as I get close, I start feeling it, I hold forward pressure and then I let it go. Just let it drain. And it's gonna make a mess. Yep. Yours is coming out a lot faster than my car's.
Oh no.
Oh no. I need to get a new oil pan. Just go in there. Well, I guess that'll give me another chance to go over this too. How to clean up oil on the garage floor.
Got some kitty litter?
I had plenty of kitty litter,
okay.
Yeah. Alright, well, we'll let this drain for a little while. Yeah, that's a neat mess. So whenever your Subaru friends come by, make sure they bring their own kitty litter. You never know. On big spills like this, you need a lot of kitty litter. I try to spread it out instead of pouring it because it gets more than you need. But really coat the floor with it. This kitty litter will pull it all out of the concrete. This garage has had more oil in it, I can tell you. And I usually will let it sit for about a day or two. Probably tomorrow I'll be able to sweep it all up and get it all out of here. What I was saying about pouring those, it just comes out a little bit faster. That's why I do it the other way. Just so much. It's been 2 days since I spilled all this oil when I did the oil change in my buddy's car. So I'll sweep it all up and show you how it works. For people that haven't seen this before, it does work pretty well. For the car guys out there, I know that you already know this trick. So this is for people that haven't experienced this yet, but you can come in and you can see. So it'll pull the oil right out of the concrete. And if you remember, I spilled quite a bit of oil here. It was only about 3 quarts straight onto the floor. So that's about what I gotta do. I don't reuse this stuff. Some people do. I don't. I'll get the rest of this in a little bit, but just wanted you to see how well that works. The floor's still a little discolored. That'll go back to normal over time, but it's So hopefully that hack works for you guys. Thanks for watching my channel. Look for more car hacks or just garage hacks in general in the future. Thanks for watching my channel, and I'll see you in the next one.